Alright, so this video is going to be about OneNote and specifically the feature of audio and video recording while you're typing. This is very helpful for taking notes in class and a lot of other things. The video recording, I'd recommend having a camera that doesn't face you. Not really sure why you'd use a camera that faces you to record and type at the same time, but if you have a camera that faces away from you, like on a tablet or a Surface or something like that, that you can record the presenter or the teacher, that would be really helpful. But basically, the feature is that while you're recording, you can be typing at the same time, and when you go back, there'll be little play buttons next to what you typed, and when you hit those, it will actually play back the audio or the video starting a few seconds before you started typing. So you can see what actually was said or what he was writing, the presenter was writing during while you were taking those notes. This is a quick how to do that. So the first thing you do is you'll go up to Insert, click on it, and these are all the different options you have. You can insert just about anything into OneNote. Links, other files, whatever it is, but we're going to be looking specifically at the video recording and audio recording. And as you hover over them, these pieces of information will show up. So if you're confused at all, it'll explain more. Um, and that's for both of these features. So we're going to go ahead and click on the record audio. And as you do that, it'll automatically put in this recording box. So in here we have the audio recording, and you would be able to go ahead and just start typing away, and it will automatically do all the syncing of your typing and the audio on its own. One way that you can tell it's recording, because it's kind of from a glance you don't see it, but up here at the top it says recording for audio and video, so we're going to go ahead and click on that, and that opens these options. So just like it did for the audio and video recording, when you hover over these options, it'll give you a shortcut for it and tell you kind of what it does. And they're pretty self-explanatory. And so we're going to go ahead and click away so that ribbon goes away. And magically, I have a bunch of text here. I pre-typed that up, but it's text that was typed while recording the audio. And so this should sync up with the audio and video. So we're going to go up here to stop it. And as you can tell, the only option now is a playback because we've already recorded. And so we're actually going to close this menu. This is just what it looks like once you've stopped the recording. So we're going to close that. And then whenever you've clicked on or hovered over one of these lines of text, this little play button will show up here to the left of it. And when you click that, that's when the audio or video will start playing from a few seconds previous to when you started typing. Generally, something inspires you to type, and so it doesn't pick up the video or audio right when you started typing, but it jumps back a few seconds before, so you can kind of grab what was going on right before you started typing. And the same is when you're hovering over or clicked on the video and audio. So that is how you can sync up audio and video recordings with what you're typing, which is really helpful for me. I'm a student currently, and I found this to be very beneficial, but this could be helpful in meetings, or just when you have other ideas or just someone else is talking and you want to get down both the audio and your own personal notes or ideas from what they're saying without actually saying them out loud and only picking up the audio.